Hello, welcome back to Moonstone Crafts and welcome back to kind of part 3. Hello, welcome back to Moonstone Crafts and welcome back to kind of part 3 of this unboxing. Of this haul that I got. I'm sorry, I was distracted by what it said here. Oh, such a wrong start to this video, but I'm not gonna cut it out or start it again. That's just me. You have to deal with it. If you don't like it, just don't watch it. This is part 3. I got 3 kits from Diamond Art Club and release papers. I told you all about it in the last 2. If you haven't seen them, I will link them down in the description and also in the eyes, of course, so you see them pop up during this video somewhere. So this is kit 3. This is the biggest one that I got. This is one that was on my wish list since it came out. And now I finally got it. But this is what I was distracted by. That said unlock 10% off. So that you can actually scan this QR code to get a discount. I've never seen that before. And also, this is how it came. Like the plastic was ripped already. So that's an easy opening, I guess. I've never seen that before on a Diamond Art Club. I thought this would be easier to open, but it's definitely not. There we go. So it's a round kit. And as I said before, it's been on my wish list since it came out. And can't wait to see it in real life. It's not heavy, that's all I can say. Another one of my stickers got like this, the little ones. So they probably should also put those in the plastic, because this is no fun. Now I have to, you know, lay it flat, and there's always gonna be a little dent on it. So maybe a suggestion, but here it is. It's the Black by Laurie Prindle. Yes, I have another Laurie Prindle. I haven't done my first one that I got. I only got Shaman. I didn't get a War Pony because I've done that from a different company, which didn't license it. I know. So if you want it, please do Diamond Art Club. But it came out after I finished that one, so that's why, if I can, I buy other Laurie Prindles to make it up to her. From Diamond Art Club, of course, because they're legally licensed. So this is the Black, and I actually looked at this image before through AliExpress. So I'm so happy that I never bought it, and that I got it from Diamond Art Club. And this is also my first partial from Diamond Art Club. So let's see how that works out. It's a 56 by 56, so still not too big. And as I said before, it's a partial, and I think it's better. That's also always why I had second thoughts about buying it on AliExpress, because I was like, it's so dark. I don't know if I can handle that. But it's gonna be so cool. But as a partial, it's gonna be cool as well. So you have a lot of baggies in the toolkit. It's a round toolkit, so no tweezers. You only get those with squares with Diamond Art Club. The pen, of course, the grippy, the little wax. Of course, the little tray. Damn, I can't say. And there should be a tin 4-plate multiplacer in here as well. It's probably hiding somewhere in the tray. Yeah, I think it's there. That's all, I think. So let's get excited about this partial from Diamond Art Club. I'm gonna be careful with opening this, because I don't want to rip the bag. And these days it's easier, except if you have an older kit like I had with Black and White, then it's not easier. Oh. The drills and everything just didn't want to come out. They wanted to stay in the bag. So there we go. So this one is also a bit curved, but this is not too bad. There's no like real wrinkle in it. So the Black by Laurie Prindle. Isn't this stunning? And of course it's another horse. It has only 10 colors and only one AB, which is the white one, which Diamond Art Club loves. So only 10 colors. Shouldn't be too hard, you think. Of course, a little step-by-step instructions. We've seen those a million times by now. So let's just toss those away. Let's put the drills away. And let's roll this the other way before I show you guys. It's rolled sideways, that's interesting. And this is gonna also make the horse really pop because it's partial. So this horse will really come out on you when you completed it. So that's gonna be amazing. And I think I saw somebody in the VIP group or the other group that I'm in on Facebook do some really nice adjustments to it and do like some ABs through the mane and stuff, and it looked amazing. So I don't know, maybe I want to make it look cool. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty, and the background is so pretty too. It's all glittery. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, look at all this color blocking. But I'm not afraid of it anymore because Paint the Stars was a lot of color blocking as well, like this. And it was actually really nice and really easy. And it works getting it done faster. So yeah, that's amazing. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. It's such a pretty horse. Oh, it's bigger than I thought actually, but that's cool. I love this horse already. I love this horse. I'm just gonna see where the ABs go because we know it's a white AB already. So in this part of the nose, there's a 1, which is the number 1 is for the AB. And here in the neck, behind the ears, is some 1s. And in the eye is a single 1. So I think that's gonna be it, which is cool. I like it. It's subtle. It's not too much. I don't think this piece needs too much. But maybe, as I said before, maybe in the mane I will do some black ABs or something. Or I have 939 ABs. I'm not sure. I don't think 939 is in here, but I think that would be cool. We'll think about it. We'll think about it. We'll take a look at the drills. Do you think it will distract too much? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it. Anyways. Is it just one strip again? Yes, it is. Thank you. Oh, but I did forget where the strip ended. I think it was like this, right? Well, we'll figure it out later. We'll start with the bigger bags. Let's zoom you guys in. Look, you can even look at the drill field. Look how clear that is. That is amazing. And now it's too zoomed in for me to show you the drills, but there we go. Oh, and it's round. I like that. Also, you guys did already know that, but I just said that again. 3371, which is a very dark brown. Look, oh, this is the lighting that I need. If you look at it this way, it looks black, and if you look at it this way, it's brown. Look at these magical drills going color changes with light here. That's amazing. Oh, 1, 2 bags. So 310. Let's see if it does the same. Yeah, look, it looks even darker than if you do it this way. It's so weird. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 bags of 310. And we have 3799. 2 bags, I think. So that's gray. Look at it from this angle. I like that the color changes when you do that. It's so weird, but so enjoyable. 413. You can see the real colors. 317. This is all grays. All from the same kind of family. They're all close to each other. 318. 415. Ooh, look at this nice little bit of white color. Whitish color. I'm trying to do the same, but it shows less in it that you can't see. And there we go. That's the white AB that was on the nose and some other parts and in the eye. Very small amount, but just perfectly enough for this kit. But yeah, let's look some more at the field. I can shuffle you around. There's the eye with the one in it. Look, there's some more ones. That's the ear. Very clear. Very clear, the real field as always. As you can see, the glue is perfectly on there, not too much. So you don't gonna have too much glue on the outside of the drills, which I like. That's what I like when I have a partial or something. Let's zoom you guys out again. There we go. There he is, I think. I think it's a he. It looks like it could be a stallion. A proud black beauty stallion. But it's called the black. Let's say it. And yeah. I will be very interested to see this one worked up. Not this year anymore, I think. But next year, we'll definitely get to it. Also because it's a partial. And, you know, it's a lot of color blocking, so we'll go faster. Especially because it's a round, so yeah. It's gonna be a beauty, and it's definitely on the agenda for next year. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please let me know what you think. This is the last part of this little haul, so I don't have any more as of for this haul. Don't know if I'm gonna buy anything for Black Friday. We'll have to wait. We have this week, I think we have some Black Friday releases, early Black Friday releases, and then the week after it's actually Black Friday, so it will be interesting to see what they do. Last year I really just bought 2 from the like 40 plus releases they had, but I'm just hoping they have another Laurie Prindle soon as well, because they haven't been releasing Laurie Prindle for a very long time. Blue Rose was the last one, and that's been a while, so yeah, it would be cool to see some more of hers. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it all. I will see you, of course, soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.